Central Processing Unit means CPU. The CPU is where all the work of the computer is done. It is made up of a control unit, CU, registers, which are temporary places in the CPU, where values can be stored, and an arithmetic logic unit, ALU. The CPU has a fetch decode execute cycle. One instruction is fetched from memory by the control unit and translated into binary numbers, which are stored in registers. These numbers are passed into the ALU, which execute the logical or arithmetic operations necessary. Modern computers often have more than one processing unit, called a core, in the CPU. If you have a quality difference between CU and ALU, CU control unit runs a program and ALU arithmetic and logic unit just do what we want. Here you can see the CU load and carries out instructions that make up programs and controls the flow of data to and from hardware components. The ALU performs all the calculations involved in executing instructions. This is the input which is going to CPU, and inside the CPU we have two more further working procedures, CU and ALU. CU runs program ready, do it ready, and then the ALU performs actions. In depth with von Neumann architecture. The organization of computer components is known as a von Neumann architecture. It is named after John von Neumann, 1903 to 1957, a Hungarian American physicist and mathematician, who described it in a report on the ADVAC, electronic discrete variable automatic computer, in 1945. Of CPU memory and on CPU memory. Primary memory includes read-only memory ROM, containing instructions that start the computer. Most of the primary memory is made up of random access memory RAM, which contains data and instructions currently being used. Its contents are lost when the computer is switched off, so long-term data is stored on the hard disk, known as secondary. On CPU memory, the CPU itself contains registers, where data currently being used is stored, and a cache containing data and instructions likely to be reused too. Information is contained in memory, just like books arranged in a library. So we're gonna see you in the next video with more information about the computer science. Goodbye for now.